Hello and welcome to Datalystica. In today's video, we'll take our very first step into the world of data analysis by understanding something called data cleaning. So, what is data cleaning exactly? Simply put, it's the process of fixing or removing incorrect, corrupted, duplicate, or incomplete data within a dataset. Imagine you're analyzing a spreadsheet of customer information. Some entries are missing names, some have typos, and others appear twice. That's messy data. And if we analyze it without cleaning first, we risk getting inaccurate results and making poor decisions. So, let's break down the most common cleaning tasks. First, removing duplicates. We only keep one of the repeated rows. Second, handling missing values, either filling them in or removing them. Third, correcting typos, like changing California to California. And finally, standardizing formats, like making all dates follow the same structure. Why does this matter? Because clean data leads to better analysis, better visualizations, and better decisions. Check out our step-by-step data cleaning tutorials using Python, Excel, SQL, and more. But for now, just remember, data cleaning isn't optional. It's the foundation. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials from Datalystica. See you in the next one.